Hey everyone, standing here at the start of the Spring Pond Loop with my Springer Spaniel Lily here, and we're parked right near the Huber Grove, right near the Wasatch Golf Course. What a great place to start the morning. It's an easy place to park. Make sure you have your state park pass. There's a bathroom right there for you. Go get in nature. Enjoy it. Hey everyone, John Breyer here, your Utah Mountain Homes Realtor, out for a morning hike on the Spring Pond Loop at the Wasatch Mountain State Park, just above the Huber Grove. It's a short hike, probably less than 2 miles, just to come out, get some fresh air, get some nature to get your day started. What a perfect insider tip.